At Outdoor Furniture Pakistan, first time in Pakistan. Rattan Deluxe Corner Dining Set with Fire Pit Table and Center Table Come Dining Set Shop. Our brand special as outdoor furniture material manufacturer. Besides supplying high-quality plastic rattan materials, we also provide furniture factory setup service. First of all, we provide all required materials for outdoor furniture manufacturing. Most importantly, we offer a complete training course of rattan and macrame furniture framing and rattan weaving to help you and your workers master the manufacturing technique of outdoor furniture from framing, weaving, finishing. Follow and subscribe our YouTube channel Outdoor Furniture Pakistan and win a macrame swing and lucky draw sofa, swings, cane, rocking chair, rattan furniture, iron frame, cane and rattan chair, blinds, repairing, cleaning at your place. Best results, best rates, convenience service. Book now. Call WhatsApp 032125212600.